So Mr. Naked Gardener, as usual, has me waiting out here for him. We're supposed to be doing a video, and I'm gonna take you along to go find him and see what's up. Babe, what are you doing? I've been waiting.
I was watching Jason from Big Bear Homestead. You know how we had that broad rake that broke on us, and he did a video on it, so I was trying to watch that video. I figured we'd do a video on that, and we're gonna start right now. What's going on, YouTube Gardener? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. In this video, we're going to simulate what Jason from Big Bear Homestead did when he had broke one of his garden tools. Since we had one of our broad rake tools break, instead of purchasing another one, we decided to do the same thing he did by having it repaired. Now, we went to Lowe's and got one of these handles. They were about $10. And we was looking at the new broad rakes for if we just decided just to go ahead and purchase one. They're almost about $30. Now, if you like these type of videos, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an upload. Alright, for this application for us, we're going to need to use a drill with a drill bit, a grinder, some Gorilla Glue that is construction adhesive that adheres to wood, plastic, metal, all of that, and something to wipe up all the residue if we have any type of spillage. Alright, before we start, we got to think safety, and we got to have our PPE. Now, normally if you're going to use a grinder, you want to use a face shield, but since we don't have a face shield, we're going to use our goggles, and since it's going to be loud noises, we want to use some earplugs. Now, to add additional safety precautions, I'm going to use these clamps to keep the broad rake from moving around. Alright, so as you can see, there's a lot of rusted and corroded in here. So I'm just going to clean this up just like Jason did, and then we'll attach it to the new pole. Alright, so this was the old pole, and this is the new pole.
Yeah, and that's way better.
Alright, so we're going to use this Gorilla Glue. We're going to take a little bit off using Patrick from MTK Knives blade here. Let's see. His knives are super sharp, so be careful. And we're just going to just shoot a lot of that inside there and fill that hole up. There we go. Let's put this cap back on. Now we're going to put this on.
You have to hammer it in.
Yep.
How long does it take for that glue to dry?
Now, with this particular glue, it says it bonds to anything, and it says to let it dry for about 2 hours. So we're going to allow it to dry for 2 hours. Then we're going to come back out here and give it a test to see how well it holds up. All right, so it's been a little bit over 2 hours, and so the Gorilla Glue, I think, has held into here. So what we're going to do is try to do a little test to see how well it holds. We're going to spread some of this compost in this area and just rake it in and make it all even as much as we can. So I believe this was a great hit. It's a very easy DIY project. I'm glad Jason from Big Bear Homestead was able to do this video for us to follow along. If you're not familiar with Big Bear Homestead, he does a lot of pest control and a lot of things from the homestead that we have learned about. I hope you like this video. If so, make sure to give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel out. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you don't miss an upload. Now, if you would like to see other garden DIYs that we do in the garden, we'll put a playlist above there so you can follow along. Until the next video, let's grow together.